Tritiyam Drishyam. Third scene of the drama starts. Chandanaha prasanno bhutva angulishu ganayan. He is very much happy. Prasanno bhutva, after becoming very much happy, angulishu ganayan, he is counting by the fingers. Anguli means fingers. So he is counting there. Oh, setaka trishatakani payamsi. Oh, 300 liters of milk. Anena tu bahudhanam lapse. By this I will get huge money. Bahudhanam, huge money. Lapsye, I will get. Nandinim drishtva. After seeing the cow, he says, Bho Nandini, hey cow, tava kripaya, by your blessings, aham tu dhanikaha bhavishyami. I will become rich. I will become rich. Prasannaha saha dhenoho bahusevam karoti. He is very much happy and he is serving the cow more. Bahusevam karoti. Chandanaha chintayati. He is thinking. Masante eva dugdhasya avashyakata bhavati. At the end of the month only we require milk. How much? 300 liters of that. Yadi pratidinam dohanam karomi. If I milk the cow every day, then tarhi dugdham surakshitam na tishtati. Then milk will not survive. It will be spoiled. You cannot keep the milk for more than 1 day, 2 days maximum if you have the refrigerator. At that time there is no refrigerator. So they cannot keep a milk for more than a day. So he is thinking, if I milk the cow every day, milk will be spoiled. I cannot store it. So idanim kim karvani? Idanim, now. Now what should I do? Bhavatu nama, let it be. Bhavatu nama. Masante eva sampurnataya dugdha dohanam karomi. Let it be. I will milk the cow at the end of the month only. I will not milk it every day, so that milk will be preserved in the stomach of cow. That is his thinking. So, evam kramena sapta dinani vyatitani. Like this, 7 days went. 7 days went. Saptahante Mallika pratyagachati. After that week, after 7 days, Mallika, wife of Chandana, came back. She came back. Pravishya. Now Mallika entered the scene and Swamin, hey husband, pratyagata aham. I came back. Aswadaya prasadam. So taste the prasad. Taste the sweet, she told. Chandanaha modakani khadati vadati cha. So he eats the sweets and tells. Chandanaha is saying, Mallike, hey Mallika, tava yatra tu samyak safala jata. Your pilgrimage became very much successful. Very much successful. Kashi Vishwanathasya kripaya priyam nivedayami. By the blessings of Kashi Vishwanatha, I will give you a good news. I will give you a good news. Priyam nivedayami. Nivedayami, I will convey a good news to you. Mallika sahcharyam. With a surprised look, she asked, Evam dharmayatrayaha atiriktam priyataram kim? More than pilgrimage, what is more happier than that? A pilgrimage only will give a lot of satisfaction. So what else? She asks. Chandanaha. Grama pramukhasya gehe. or Grihe. Grama Pramukha means leader of the village. In the house of leader of the village, Mahotsavaha, big function, will be taking place at the end of the month. Masante bhavishyati. At the end of the month. Tatra, there, Trishata Setakamitam Dugdham Asmabhihi Datavyam Asti. So we must give. Datavyam means we must give. How much? 300 liters of milk. Trishata Setakamitam Dugdham Asmabhihi, by us. Datavyam, by us. 300 liters of milk should be provided. Kintu etavanmatram dugdam kutaha prapsyamaha? This much milk from where we will get? Only one cow we have. It will not give 300 liters of milk a day. Then how we will do? Kutaha prapsyamaha, where we will get? Kutaha means where. Dugdha means milk. Where we will get? Chandana. Chandana is saying, Vicharaya Mallike. Think Mallika. Pratidinam dohanam krutva dugdham stapayamaha chet tat surakshitam na tishtati. If every day, if we milk the cow and keep the milk aside, milk will not survive. Milk will get spoiled. Stapayamaha means if we keep the milk after milking every day, the milk will get spoiled. Surakshitam na tishtati. Atayeva dugdha dohanam na kriyate. We will not do milking every day. Utsava dine eva samagram dugdham dokshyamaha. The day of the function only, we will milk the cow completely. So we may get the 300 liters of milk. Dokshyavaha, future tense. Dohanam is past tense. So dokshyavaha means in the future we will milk. Mallika. Swamin, hey husband, tvam tu chaturatamaha. You are very brilliant, clever. Chaturatama. Chaturatama. Tama. Tara is just superlative degrees we say, no? Good, better, best. Like that. Chatura, chaturatara, chaturatama. Clever, the most clever. Chaturatamaha. Atyuttamaha vicharaha. Very good decision. Very good idea. Very good idea. Vicharaha, idea. Adhuna dugdha dohanam vihaya kevalam nandinyaha sevam eva karishyamaha. So we will stop milking the cow every day and we will serve the cow every day. Whatever the food and the everything it used to get, we will make it double so that it will give more milk. More milk. Nandinyaha sevam, serve. Eva karishyamaha. We will do leaving. Vihaya, leaving. What they left? Dugdha dohanam. Milking the cow every day they left and just serving the cow every day. Anena adhikadhikam dugdham masante prapsyamaha. So that we will get more and more milk at the end of the month. Dvaveva, both. Dvaveva, both. Dhenoho sevayam niratau bhavataha. Both are very much busy in serving the cow. Asmin krame, during this time, ghasadikam, ghasa, grass, gudadikam, jaggery, bella. The gudadikam cha bhojayataha. They used to give more and more healthy grass and jaggery. Kadachita vishanayoho tailam lepayataha. Vishana means horns. So they used to apply the oil to the horns. Tilakam dharayataha. They used to put kumkum on the forehead of the cow. Ratrau nirajanamapi kurutaha. During the night, they used to do Mangalarti also. Nirajanamapi toshayataha. Nirajanenapi toshayataha. Toshayataha means they are making cow happy. Toshana means happy. So they are making a cow happy by giving more grass, more jaggery, as well as giving a tilak on the forehead and doing the Mangalarti, everything they used to do. Thinking that cow will give more milk at the end of the month. Chandana. Now, Chandana is saying, Mallike agacha. Mallika, come. Kumbhakaram prati chalavaha. We will go to a potter. Kumbhakara is a potter. Dugdhartham patra prabandhopi karaniyaha. To milk the cow of 300 liters amount, then we need vessels, no? Pots, gadige. So they need vessels. The pots they need. So they are going to a potter to buy pots. Buy pots. Dugdhartham for milk. Patra prabandha. Prabandha means arrangement. So patra prabandha, vessel arrangement. So we need vessel to keep the milk. That's why we will go to a potter. They say. Now, dvau nirgato. Both went. Now the fourth scene. Kumbhakaraha. Potter is saying, Ghatanachanayam leenaha gayati. He is preparing the pot and he is saying that Jnatvapi jivika hetoho rachayami ghatanaham जीवनम भंगुरम सर्वम यथैष मृत्तिका घटः जीवनम भंगुरम सर्वम. Bhangura means which breaks and get destroyed. Jeevanam bhanguram, the life can break anytime. I know that. So, Jeevanam bhanguram sarvam. Everybody's life one day will get broken. One day everyone will die. Everyone will die. Yatha esha mrittika ghataha. Like this mud pot. It can break anytime. But knowing this also, jnatvapi. After knowing this also, what also? It will break anytime. Jivika hetoho. For my livelihood. I should earn something now to live. I want money to live. So this is the profession which I have adopted. So I will prepare rachayami ghatanaham. I prepare the pot because it will give me money. By that I can lead my life. So jivika hetoho. For the livelihood, I am preparing the pot, knowing that it can break anytime. It can break anytime, like life. Life also can go anytime. No guarantee, no warranty. Same with the pot, he says. Chandana. Namaskaromi tataha. Tataha means respected person. Namaskar. Namaskaram karomi. Panchadasha ghatan ichhami. I want 15 pots. I want 15 pots. Kim dasyasi? Will you give? Devesha. Devesha is a potter's name. Katham na? Why not? Krayanaya eva ete. These are for selling only. Grahana gatan. Take the pots. Panchashatottara rupyakani cha dehi. Give me 500 rupees. Give me 500 rupees. Dehi, give. Sadhu. Yes, good. Param mulyam tu dugdham vikriya eva datum shakyate. Param, but mulyam, amount. Tu means definitely. Dugdham vikriya, after selling the milk. Eva datum shakyate. Eva, guarantee. Vikriya eva, after selling only. Eva means only. So money can be given only after selling the milk. I don't have money now, but I will give you money after selling the milk. This is what he says. Devesha is saying, Kshamyatam putra, forgive me son, mulyam vinatu, ekamapi ghatam nadasyami. Without money, I will not give you a single pot also. Without money, I will not give you mulyam vina, without money, ekamapi, one also, ghatam nadasyami, I will not give you the pot. Now, Mallika is saying, Swabhushanam datu michhati. Mallika is removing her ornaments and giving to Devesha. Tata, respected person, yadi adhunaiva mulyam avashyakam. If you want money now only, tarhi, then grihana etat abhushanam. Take this ornament. Take this ornament. So Devesha is saying, Putrike naham papa karma karomi. Daughter, I will not commit sin. Kathamapi nechami tvam abhushana vihinam kartum. However, I don't want to. Kathamapi. However, I don't want to make you ornamentless. Vibhu abhushana vihina means ornamentless. I don't want to make you ornamentless. Nayatu yatha abhilashitan ghatan. Nayatu, take away. Yatha abhilashitan, how much you want. Abhilasha means ichha, wish. So how much you wish, that much pots you take. Dugdham vikriya eva ghatamulyam dadat. After selling the pots only, you give me the money. Both are telling Devesha, potter, that Dhanyosi tata, Dhanyosi. You are great. Respected person, you are great. That concludes the fourth scene of the drama.